Hi everyone, it's Mark here from TAPiTAG. I just want to give you a quick demo on how to use your TAPiTAG Executive Card. So as you can see here, this is the TAPiTAG Executive. It's made of a metal, it's a metal card. On the front you've got your laser etched QR code, laser etched logo, and then you've got your laser etched name and contactless sign then as well. Really slick card, really premium and durable. On the back you have your NFC chip is it's built into the card, it's built into the back there. So I'm going to show you today just how to use it on iPhone and then also on an Android device. So let's start with iPhone. I'll give you a quick demonstration. So on the iPhone, on the back of the iPhone at the top, that's where your NFC sensor is. So all you got to do is tap the card off the back of the iPhone. You'll see that the pop-up appears. Tap that and then that's your profile, that's your TAPiTAG profile. This is fully customizable, so you can add in a logo above your profile picture, you can change the color of the background, you can add your profile picture, your bio, and anything you want to add in there. And then as well as that, you can have all your contact details and social details, as well as the save contact feature. So you can instantly save, somebody can instantly save your TAPiTAG profile and your details by simply pressing the save contact button. Uploads the VCF file, and you can just click create new contact. All those bits of info will download there. So and you can go back to the profile. Up here you'll see a little login button. You can log in there at any time to make any changes you want to your profile, so it's changeable in real time and it's instant. The other way of accessing your profile is by scanning the QR code on the front, which you see there, and that will also bring you back to your TAPiTAG profile. So there's two ways. QR code on the front, you can scan it with your camera, or you can tap the NFC on the back, and it's very quick, very instant. So that's iPhone. That works on iPhone. On Android it's slightly different. On an Android phone, your NFC sensor is between the middle and the top of the back of the phone. So I'll just give you a quick overview of how it works on Android. So as you can see, as I said, the NFC sensor on the back, on the card is on the back. So all you got to do is tap the card on the back and uploads the profile. It's very quick, simple and easy. And as I said, you can click save contact. It will do the exact same as iPhone. It will download the contact. If you want to hit Instagram, you can go, the Instagram page will load up, so you can see TAPiTAG's Instagram page there. Give us a follow if you're not already also. And then you can also, with the QR code, it works the exact same way. Open up your camera and it picks it up there, and that will load up your profile again via QR code. So you see it there, which is great. So you don't need an app, the other person doesn't need to have a TAPiTAG. They just got to scan the QR code, or as I said, just tap the NFC on the back. Check out our FAQs for any older phones, so from, let's say, iPhone 8, iPhone 7 down. You can check our FAQs just on the process of using NFC. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at any time. You can contact us on sales@tapitag.co. And yeah, we'll be happy to help. Thanks a million.